So here's the thing, birding is going to be great at Times Beach this spring. Come on down. I do ask you though to try to put up with the issues that we have here and respect the fact that the nature preserve out there is not open. So this is the end of the preserve that's open, and it's very open, and you can go up along this trail, keep going left. You can't go to the right, can't go down to the McLennan Overlook area. No dogs, no bikes. Just please respect those rules also, because this is a nature preserve and there's birds migrating through here and beginning to do some breeding behavior, nest building. So no bikes, no dogs, but come down and love this place because you can. So here's an important part of the story. It's going to take a lot of work to bring Times Beach Nature Preserve back to some sort of stability. It's going to take a while to figure out how to fix this. It's critical that we learn how to fix it because of both the wildlife and the human populations that depend on this area. The wildlife, of course, we have world-class bird migration in almost all seasons that come through here. The spring migration of neotropicals is upon us. We have insects that are so important, including pollinators, including one of the iconic species, monarch butterfly, which we've been working on building habitat here for years, and it's been paying off. We've had thousands and thousands of them during the fall migration at Times Beach. It may have all changed now. As I say, we've got a lot of work to do. We've got to have a plan. We've got to figure out what we want, and we have to figure out how to get there. Be patient, and thank you.